Fractions. Missing fractions in simple linear sequences. Let's recap. To find a missing number, you need to follow a sequence or pattern. 4, 6, 8, something, 12, 14. The sequence is counting up in 2. The missing number is 10. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. If the gap is the same every time, it's a linear sequence. Missing number sequences can also involve fractions. 1/6 something, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. First, we'll work out the difference or the gaps that we can see. Between 3/6 and 4/6, the increase is 1/6. Between 4/6 and 5/6, it's 1/6. So now, if we have a consistent gap, we can add it to the number before to find the missing number. So 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 2/6. The missing number is 2/6. What about this sequence? First, work out the differences that we can see. Between 1/5 and 2/5, it's 1/5. Between 2/5 and 3/5, it's 1/5. It's increasing by 1/5, and we can add this now to 3/5 to find the missing number. 3/5 plus 1/5 is 4/5, so the missing number is 4/5. Sometimes it can help to convert fractions to the same denominator. Here we've got some in sixths and some in thirds. We can multiply the thirds by 2 to convert to a common denominator of 6. Remember, we need to multiply both the top and the bottom to keep the fractions balanced. So 1/3 multiplied by 2 gives us 2/6, and 2/3 multiplied by 2, top and bottom, gives us 4/6. Now we can work out the differences. Between 1/6 and 2/6, it's 1/6. Between 4/6 and 5/6, it's 1/6. Now we can add this to 2/6 to find the missing number. So 2/6 plus 1/6 equals 3/6. We could also convert this to the simplest form. 3/6, we can divide both the top and the bottom by 3, and it gives us 1/2. Remember, to find a missing number, you need to follow a sequence or pattern. If the gap is the same every time, it's a linear sequence. To find the missing number, take the problem step by step. Work out the differences that you can see. If there is a consistent gap, you can add it to find the missing number. If you need to convert to find a common denominator, remember you must do the same to both the top and the bottom of the fraction to keep them balanced. And if the question is in its simplest form, you need to convert your answer to the simplest form.